she runs, sometimes she don't. More than once she's left me on the side of the road. The older she gets, the slower we go. But there ain't nothing wrong with the radio. She needs a carburetor, a set of plug wires. She's riding me around on 4-ball tires. The wipers don't work and the horn don't blow. But there ain't nothing wrong with the radio. I've got 60 speakers crossing my back dash. A little bobbing dog watching everybody pass. Dual antennas ripping in the